Hello guys, I've got another package here from Japan Toys Australia, who just keep on blessing me with awesome stuff. So thank you once again to them there, guys. If you're living in Australia, check the link down in the description to check out their site. They've got all kinds of figure stuff, which is what I usually see from them. They do have Gunpla and model kits there as well. There are some model kit related things in this box as well. So we're going to take a look at this. There's one figure that I know of, and then some other cool stuff. So let's see. Well, there's a lot of stuff. Okay, well, let's get a look at just the figure first, because this is easy. This is the first thing. This is an EXQ figure of Shigure from Kantai Collection. Again, it's a property that I really have no connection with, but this is just a really nice looking figure. I thought just kind of casual clothes there. So really nice. I'm going to take this, open up this box and see how big this is compared to the EXQ Love Live figures. Alright, and wow, this thing is really, really nice quality. Not even just like the different textures on everything, on different parts of the clothing and everything, and just the painting on it, the dotted lines painting like on her overalls, and just a lot of really nice details and just the small little parts for this. So this is a really, really nice quality figure for sure. And just quickly compare the size to a Love Live EXQ figure, they're just right about the same size, coming in at about 22 centimeters in height in total, so pretty good size as well. And the rest of what's in here is all Little Armory stuff. So he asked me if I wanted to check out some stuff from the Little Armory line, just because it's able to be used with the Frame Arms Girls kits apparently. And I said, yeah, sure. So I figured he would send me like one or two, but it looks like he sent me quite a lot of stuff here from the line. So let's check it out. Okay, so let's start off with some small stuff first, and these are hand option parts. So this is all 1/12 scale, and Frame Arms Girls are again 1/12 scale. And by the look of these joints, they look like those should fit in Frame Arms Girls' hands as well. Now they're advertised to be working with Figma, and I guess that's maybe just because they can't put the Kotobukiya name on there. They just don't have the license agreement with Kotobukiya to be able to put the Kotobukiya Frame Arms Girl thing on there. You'd think that they'd want to, but I think Kotobukiya just maybe doesn't want to do that, possibly just because they have their own line of MSG stuff and they want to like monopolize that. Whereas I think these are a little bit different, as well, as these weapons are all meant to be like realistic stuff, when Frame Arms is all like Frame Arms Girls is all supposed to be a little bit more like sci-fi kind of things, of course, so science fiction little stuff. Not that there's anything fictional about high school girls with weapons like this, but anyway, these are hand options. Gloves, technical gloves, and those have like some details on those for like the gloves as well, and then just the flesh tone hand option parts for holding some of the different weapons. So there's those. And then we've got the MP5K coffer type. This would be that kind of like machine gun in a briefcase kind of thing that for me this just reminds me of Ghost in the Shell, just because that's like kind of my only and first exposure to this kind of weapon, but very cool. So what I'm going to end up doing with this is I'll just do a separate video later on where I'll actually do like an actual kind of review for all this stuff for you guys. Actually show you some of the stuff in use. For the time being, I just want to go through everything what's in the box here. So this would be the heavy shield, which looks like just that. It looks like it is just a kind of shield with this like armor, or like I can't think of the right word I'm trying to say for that, but anyway, and again, just on the back it shows you everything that's included in there. It has like a little strap for that, and it looks like this kind of like folded up form of that anyway. So a shield, and then the P226 and P228 type pistols, it looks like, for this one. So it looks like you're gonna have a few pistols and some extra attachments for those, as well as some clips in there. I believe the illustrations here will also show you everything that's in the box, so you can get a look at that. Just for the sake of it, I just want to take a peek inside here into one of these so you can see. Just like that, they're just on runners, molded like that, so you just have to clip them out. But it looks like in the case of those, they're just one piece each, so you're not gonna have to do any like seam line removal or anything. All right, now on to the bigger stuff. We have a DDA school desk. So there you go. I think this is just I don't know if it's a set of one or if it's a set of multiple. Oh, okay, no, here it says there's like one of that type of desk, and then two of those, and 3 chairs. So you will have 3 desks in total for this package. So yeah, you can have them sitting in class while they're not fighting. And it looks like you also get these like prop boards to make like the background there that you can see as well. So that's interesting. And then the last thing here is the military hard case B. So this would be this like wood weapons crate kind of thing like that. And so you can see you get 2 of those and then 2 of these small little ammo containers and then a couple of tools in there as well, like a hammer and a crowbar, as well as some water slide decals, it looks like, as well for that, for just like some markings for the box, it looks like. So really cool stuff. I'm definitely very excited to check some of this stuff out just because you can use it with frame arms stuff, so that's cool. And Megami device, I would assume, as well. But like I said, I want to do a separate video just checking out all of this stuff. I won't do like a separate video on each piece. I'll just kind of do a little armory review video where I'll just check out all this stuff, and then later on down the line, if I ever end up getting some more, I'll review that stuff separately as well. But just wow, Japan Toys Australia, thank you so much for this awesome box. Again, just outdone yourself as always. Thank you so much for the support and this awesome stuff. I'll get a review out for you guys to check out this stuff as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any further questions or comments about this, I'm sure a lot of you guys are maybe interested in the little armory stuff as well, so hopefully that'll be a cool video for you guys and informative. For those of you who do have experience with some of this stuff, let me know what you think down below. Which sets do you have? If you have any of these, let me know, and let me know what sets you might want to see in the future as well. There's quite a lot of them, so let me know. Thanks so much for watching, guys, again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.